about half an hour. Just dropped by because I had to come to Norwest. My son and his wife just had a little baby girl, Abigail. So I've been playing a couple of other games, and I came in, put 50 in here, first press, got it on, but I'm only doing 3 lines, so we'll see how we go. So it doesn't pay anything like that, it just pays straight lines. Nothing. I need the balls. Yeah, that. But I need, if I can get the blue one that has little sticks, it would be awesome. Come on, baby. No. Okay, nothing. 26 bucks. It's alright, not bad for a first press. Alright, I'll be back if I get something else. Right. Back into another bonus. Nice, ooh, 22.50, not bad. That one again. It dropped the major for me before, but it only had 2 friends with it or something. Come on, anything. Minor, major, train. Come on, anything at all. No. Baby. No. All right, 52. Not great. Alright, I'll be back. Back in. Let's see how we go. Come on, minor, major, train. Please and thank you. Come on. Mini party. Bum, bum, bum. would have been nice. That one had a $90 ball. Alright, I am going to collect it there because I'm quite happy with that. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, basically I probably won't be doing any videos for a while. This is my phone that I use to do all my recording, and basically it is fried. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's stuck on what's called a reboot loop, and basically you do this, you hold the power and the volume down, it turns off. The forced kind of shutdown thing comes back, it won't go away. I've tried everything, I've watched a ton of videos, and I don't know. I tried taking the SIM card out, not the SIM card, the SD card, to put it in my other one, because I've got hours upon hours upon hours of videos in here that are ready to come out, to be put up, but they're stuck in the SIM card. So I tried putting it in my other phone. The other phone won't read it, so I don't know if it's whatever happened to it affected the SIM card or not. But whatever it is, I don't know. Oh, look at my cute little kitties that I've got on top of the computer. More kitties down there. So yeah, I'm not sure. I'm attaching one video to the end of this, but that's about it. So I found it like this yesterday morning when I woke up. I tried to fix it, and then I had to leave because I had to go to Norwest, and yeah, so not happy. I don't care about the phone, I just want what's inside. The phone I can replace, like, you know, I can just buy another one, but it's what's inside. I can't replace what's inside. So we will see what happens.